Hey, Uncle Redneck here. Give you an update. I just climbed up High Rock, and you want to talk about a ball buster. I'm alive. I made it back to the truck. Looks like 6.2 today. You know, as of hikers and backpackers, we get better and we evolve our equipment, our styles, and mostly our equipment for not better but lighter gear, because some of your better gear is a whole lot heavier than what your lighter gear is. So in this video we are going over the life of what I've been using for a knife out on the trail. Alright, let me get things set up and flip you around, and I'll get back to you. Alright, like I said earlier, this video is going to be about my knives that I've used over the years. My very first knife is a special one. It was given to me by a buddy, real good buddy of mine, my brother from another mother, Sir Pax-a-Lot. It was given to me about 4 or 5 years ago as a Christmas gift. Now then, just the knife itself, it weighs 11.1 ounces, and then with the sheath it is 15.9 ounces, almost a pound. So depending on how wet your leather got, it can be just over a pound for just this knife. Brass end of the shank. It's got a real nice decent blade, real nice finger guard, brass finger guard. I've used it to process firewood and kindling. And so then 2 years ago, or it might have been this past Christmas, it gave me another multi-tool. And the multi-tool itself is 10.1, 10 ounces. And then with the sheath, you're looking at 11.1 ounces. And this is mossy oak. It's got all your screwdrivers, pliers, knives, scalers, typical multi-tool. Then this past May in Damascus, I had picked up a pretty nice light neck knife by a company down in Trail Days. MTK knives, model N690. So just the knife itself is 1.6 ounces, and the sheath with the sheath is 2.5 ounces. So we've got almost a pound with this, the very first one, to I think it was 11 ounces, 11.1 ounces, down to 2.5 ounces. So that's a pretty good reduction in weight over the years. Now I do have another review on this knife that I'll include in this video out in the field. Alrighty, this is Uncle Redneck out. Uncle Redneck here with another little gear review. This is my little MTK Mountain Knives, model number N690 neck knife. I bought it down in Damascus this May. You can see it there. Real nice light knife, and when I bought it, it was definitely sharp, and she's still got a good edge to it. Not a shaving edge, but Definitely what you need for out here in the trail. Comes with a nice little molded sheath hanging around your neck, and it also has the breakaway clips, so in case you need it or grabs hold of it, and snap it apart right like that. Stick it around your neck, keep it on my shirt, and she's right there. Alrighty, I'll get some more use out of this and get back to you with another review on it. Alrighty, Uncle Redneck out.